Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the Alpine Butterfly Loop. The video you're watching is a small excerpt from the curriculum at Knot School. I hope you enjoy it. The Alpine Butterfly Loop is classified as a loop knot. Specifically, it's a midline loop. Loop knots create a fixed loop within a rope. The Alpine Butterfly Loop is also sometimes referred to as the butterfly loop or the lineman's loop. Structurally, the butterfly loop creates a central loop that can be loaded in multiple directions. It shares similarities with other loop knots, such as the bowline on the bite, but its balanced design allows for even load distribution, making it ideal for multiple direction pulls. The butterfly loop is a reliable and versatile loop knot. It's primarily used to create a fixed central loop in a rope, particularly under tension. Its balanced design and strength make it a valuable tool in various applications, especially those involving multi-directional loading. To tie a butterfly loop, wrap the rope around your hand twice. At the end of the first turn, position the rope close to your fingertips. Continue around and complete the second turn, back near your thumb. Pick up the turn closest to your fingertips and wrap it around the other two turns. Slide the knot off your hand and tighten by pulling on the loop and the ends. The Alpine Butterfly Loop finds use in applications where a strong central loop is needed, particularly in climbing, rescue operations, and rigging. It's a favored knot for creating intermediate anchor points or dividing loads. You can find the Alpine Butterfly Loop in use in a lot of different industries and applications. The primary risk associated with the Alpine Butterfly Loop is its potential to fail if not tied correctly. It's essential to ensure that the knot's properly dressed and tightened. The butterfly loop can be found in the Ashley Book of Knots as knot number 1053 on page 191.